Snowstorm number 2, and we're in the thick of it, ladies and gentlemen. Thick of it. 22 centimeters coming in Montreal. Stay safe. The smart people are staying home today. Streets are empty because people are proactive. When you're expecting 22 centimeters of snow, you don't go to work, you don't go to school, you stay home.
I walk a lonely road, the only one that I have ever known. Don't know where it goes, but it's home to me, and I walk alone. I walk this empty street on the boulevard of broken dreams, where the city sleeps and I'm the only one, and I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk up. My shadow's only one that walks these.
Wrap me in blankets and lay me down. There's not much to do in this lonely town. I've been retreating to my bed, been seeking refuge inside my head. A snowstorm in February, I feel myself getting weary. I know this won't last forever, but with each passing day, it gets harder.